Hello and welcome. In this video, we will journey from matter all the way down to the tiny center of the atom. Our topic is atomic structure, a journey into the nucleus. Everything around us is made of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Take water, for example. Although it looks continuous, water is actually made of extremely tiny particles called molecules. These molecules are far too small to be seen with the naked eye. Each water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, forming H2O. Molecules themselves are made of atoms. An atom is the smallest unit of an element that still retains the properties of that element. Inside every atom is a central region called the nucleus, surrounded by electrons moving in shells around it. At the center of the atom, the nucleus contains 2 important particles, protons and neutrons. The nucleus holds almost all the mass of the atom, and this is our journey into the heart of matter. Thank you.